Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Crochet with Zara and welcome to the Absolute Beginner series. Today I am going to show you how to crochet a flower. I am using these two colors and any size and any type of hook you can use. I am just teaching you how to crochet a flower. So let's get started by taking a green color. So to begin we make a magic circle. I have already uploaded a tutorial of magic circle. You can go and watch my that tutorial so you can be familiar with the magic circle. Chain 1, to make 11 single crochet into the magic circle. Insert the hook into the magic circle, pull up the loop, 2 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through 2. Again 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Now pull the tail to close the circle. Now slip stitch into the first, yarn over, chain 1 and cut the yarn. Now take the white color, insert the hook into the first chain and attach the yarn. Work chain 4, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now we have to work triple crochet 2 together stitch. Yarn over twice, insert the hook into the stitch where we work chain 4, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. So you can see we have 2 loops left on the hook. Now again yarn over twice, insert the hook back into the stitch, pull up the loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2 and yarn over, pull through 2. So this stitch 2 triple crochets, 2 together stitch. Now again work chain 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 and work a slip stitch into the next stitch. So you can see over first petal is created. Now again chain 4 and work triple crochet 2 together stitch, yarn over twice, insert the hook into the stitch, pull through 2, pull through 2. You have 2 stitches, 2 loops left. Again yarn over twice, insert the hook back into the stitch, yarn, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2 and yarn over, pull through 2. Now again work chain 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 and work a slip stitch into the next stitch. Now repeat the same. Now repeat the same steps or stitch pattern of chain 4, triple crochet, 2 triple crochet together stitch, chain 4 and work slip stitch into the next stitch 6 more times. Now I'm going to show one petal once more. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yarn over twice, insert the hook back into the same, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, 2 loops left, yarn over twice, insert the hook back into the same, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Now again chain 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and work a slip stitch into the next stitch. Now you can see we have 3 petals on our circle. Now I will meet you at this point and show you the final results. Now I have worked total of 8 petals. If you like this video, then give it a thumbs up and follow for more crochet tutorials by subscribing my channel and hit the notification bell so you can never miss an update. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, take great care of yourself. Bye bye.